Okay.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Master Precise, and I am working on a pattern that's going to be a tattoo that's going to go around the collar. Hold on one second. Let me kill that because I know YouTube hates it when I use other people's music on my show. So we're going to put a capital S, the next letter, and I was thinking it should go somewhere right here. It's supposed to go down a little. But you gotta remember, it has all this other stuff like
What patterns are you going off of?
this one right here. See how it's going like that, and then it comes down. But there's this big old giant loop here. Now, instead of putting the S way over here, I was thinking of just adding that loop just right into this here. And just curve it into there. What do you think? It's up to you.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes it real busy in here, but I mean, actually it'd probably be like just as good if I just ended it right here.
And then go up like a little bit like on that side.
Yeah, and instead of making it all with, instead of having all of
Stop it.
Yeah, just stop.